Hi, I'm Ben Russell-Smith, founder and managing director here at Lazer Lamps. Today, I'm going to be telling you about which light to choose when you're considering buying a Lazer grill kit. Specifically, I'm going to be telling you all about the RRR 750 product range and the 4 variants that you see here. So the Lazer grill kits are, of course, hugely popular. We first launched this bespoke product range back in 2016, and it has gone from strength to strength. Customers love being able to add this incredible performance onto a vehicle with such an OE finish and fantastic performance. Onto the specifics of the lights though. If it's a grill kit designed for the RRR 750, you've got a choice of 4 when you're speccing up your Lazer grill kit. You can go for the 750 wide, you can go for the 750 standard, the 750 standard with beacon, and of course the 750 elite. So the first thing to consider when you're choosing your RRR 750 grill kit are the rules and laws in the country where you are going to be driving. So in certain markets in Europe in particular, then you need to be considering the intensity of light that you're permitted to have as an extra lamp on the front of the vehicle. So every high beam light, including the high beam lights on your existing vehicle, will have a reference number, and that reference number indicates the intensity of light on the vehicle. So in many markets, including Germany, Austria, a lot of East European markets, Switzerland, they would be looking for a maximum reference of 100 coming from the vehicle. So first thing to check is what reference do you have on your existing vehicle before you choose your grill kit. The maximum number is 100. So the RRR 750 Elite uses e-boost, and e-boost allows for the lamp to run in dual output mode. It means that in its road legal form, it can run at quite a low output, and it then gets a low reference number. It has a reference of 12.5. When you then drive into a country where the laws allow it, you can run in the boost mode, which essentially increases the intensity by a factor of around 5. So that is a fantastic product if you need to make sure your E-reference is below 12.5. The Elite product, of course, giving you piercing distance, real huge range, and a nice spread left and right of the vehicle. After that, we've got the RRR 750 wide. So this is a product which achieves a low E reference, a reference 20, and it achieves that by spreading the light really wide in a left and right orientation, but as well quite wide in an up-down perspective. So it's a nice beam pattern that gives you huge amounts of lighting in front of your vehicle. It has that relatively low E reference, but without the need for E boost. Both of these products, the Elite and the Wide, don't include a backlight function. So if you're looking for a backlight function, you've really got to look at the standard range. The RRR 750 standards have 2 types. We've got the beacon version and the non-beacon version. And it is important to mention that the beacon version has a low reference and the non-beacon version has a higher reference. So again, you need to check the laws of your country and consider whether or not that is an important factor for you. Countries like the United Kingdom, there is no requirement to remain under 100 when you're on the public road or taking the vehicle for your annual check. Also on the subject of country laws and regulation, it's also important to check whether or not you can fit the position light or the backlight function road legally. In certain markets, there are restrictions on that function, so please do check. Otherwise, you may have to run the lamp as a high beam only. So the RRR 750 standard with beacon, of course, it isn't only the beacon function that is different between that and the non-beacon version. The inside of the lamp is completely different and with different LEDs. And so actually we achieve a higher lumen output on the high beam compared with the non-beacon lamp. So in terms of performance, I've already mentioned that the Elite product is giving you that superior distance. To be specific, you're achieving 1 lux at 517 meters from a single lamp. The standard product, you're achieving 1 lux at 433 meters. In terms of the spread, well, on the Elite product, you've got 42 degrees of left-right spread, whereas on the standard product, you're looking at 19 degrees left-right spread. So yeah, real increases in performance that you can get when selecting the Elite product. One important thing to be aware of, the 750 beacon, which as I've mentioned has got some brand new internals compared with the non-beacon version. This one is actually putting out more lumens than the Elite. The customer is able to achieve higher amount of light output, but we're doing that by using a slightly larger LED, which is not as focused a beam pattern. So you're not getting the distance on the 750 beacon as you would do with the 750 Elite. So for that real engineered and precise driving illumination, you do need the Elite. But of course, if you're looking for a Reg 65 approved beacon, well, the 750 standard. At Lazer, we always use high color rendering index LEDs. This means that it's giving you really good visibility of colors at the side of the road. So you'll see the reds, you'll see the browns, the greens on that road ahead. All of our products are featuring these high CRI LEDs. The lens, of course, on all of these products is a unbreakable 3mm polycarbonate. We hard coat these lenses so they will not deteriorate over time, and all of that is managed in-house here at our UK facility. So I hope that gives you a good understanding about the 4 different types of RR 750 that you might choose to put in your Lazer grill kit. I really do hope that you have found this video useful. Please do get in touch with us if anything still isn't clear. We'd love to hear from you. Otherwise, please check out our social media. Until next time.